Icot says, what do you suggest to a person who is working with SAP Business Warehouse? Hannah, the switch to data engineer, old man, SAP. Oh man, oh man. Like, ah, I have been working like a year after university. I was working as an SAP developer. That's rough. So I would, like I say, it's the path is not that super simple. I'm not 100% sure of what basic skills you have and what's your current level. I think for you as well, the first thing I would do is I would try to find out. You could, for instance, find out jobs in your area or somewhere you want to move that have SAP HANA in their engineer descriptions or in their platform architect descriptions, and then look what else is there, and then use the blueprint, use the stuff that I talk about all the time in the academy and so on, to actually learn the stuff you need and apply to these jobs. So that would be a way out of like business SAP and data warehouse, business warehouse within SAP.